So I'm Melanie Jonkey, and I own Golden Gate Hand Therapy here in San Francisco. And about last November, my front office, who is a very good front office person, was moving away. And I was interviewing a replacement, and many times the people weren't showing up for the interviews. And I was struggling also with the cost of an admin to really make it work with a small business. And as the margins have just become tighter and tighter. So I was lucky enough to meet Juan Pablo, and he introduced me to his company and his AI scheduling platform for getting my patients scheduled, which sounded very enticing given my situation. So I went with it, even though I was a little skeptical of AI and thought, how can it really replace a real person? But we started with the process of walking me through like how a patient was scheduled, what insurances I accepted, and to further complicate things, I did start with 3 locations, all accepting different insurances. So it definitely was a challenge to get all of that taken care of, but we proceeded with developing a script and fine-tuning it and making it more user-friendly when the patient called, and we started with it. The other fantastic thing is I've never had to take a voicemail. That has gone away, which is really a lovely thing, and not playing phone tag. Also that the AI will capture every call, and a lot of the calls we're finding are not during office hours. That's when people have time to make appointments. So we've seen that as an uptick, and just the ease of when people are calling, I'm getting a lot of feedback that they're so surprised that this is one of the best AI features, scheduling, that they've encountered. And even early on, one of my patients brought cupcakes for AI Annie, not realizing it was AI Annie. She brought cupcakes because Annie was so pleasant and nice. So I do also receive more and more feedback that people feel like it's one of the best ones out there that they've encountered when scheduling, and it's really changed my practice. But the bottom line is the cost. The cost is a lot less than human admin assistant full-time in a clinic, which at this point as a private practitioner, it's just becoming more and more unattainable to have that type of person. So it's been a great transition to go with the AI for scheduling, and I'm very pleased with the outcome. Another big change, not only moving locations after being in my clinic for 15 years, which anytime you change a practice location is very challenging with any sort of billing company. I also changed my EMR from WebPT to Strata PT, and that also was a huge transition, but at Solum got right involved and went right to town to figure out this very new, completely different system than WebPT. And we're able to work out and the quirks and different processes that they had for their billing, scheduling. We had to do a whole new scheduling templates. So they were able to just jump right in and make that transition pretty seamless.